till I close my eyes, cause I can see a hater in disguise. But me, I keep it moving, yeah, real positive, with that good soul and that good knowledge. Of course I keep it going with my raps when I'm flowing. I'm the truth, the real, and yes, I'm spoken. And anything try to stop me will get broken, cause a brother like me.
Y'all already know who y'all rocking with, right? Music IMTV. Y'all can go follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Music IMTV. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Music IMTV. Today, I got a special guest in the building. You know, he's a MC / MC battler. He go by the name Sinister. Sinister, who would you personally battle if you had a chance to?
Shit, people in my city. The problem is, you can't. It's not like back in the day where you see a nigga and you just walk up to him and just battle him. There's just too many politics that go on behind the scene, and I'm independent. I'm not under any GM. You know what I'm saying? I'm the one that books my battles. I personally talk to the GMs, and these dudes be so Hollywood, man. They'll go by like, oh well, he's got a name or views this, views that. If it's up to me, I'll battle anybody. Whether you got no footage or you got 10 years worth of footage, I'll battle anybody. But if you really, if I had a choice, let me see. In King of the Dot, I would like to battle Bender. His pen game is real crazy. His pen game's crazy, just out of because he's that dope, and he'll make me want to come out and want to be dope. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm going to say it on the radio. He about to body the Saurus.
Oh, yeah, like the Saurus
He's about to body the Saurus.
If the Saurus ain't careful, then that could happen. But yeah, that could happen. Bender's not somebody you sleep on. As far as URL, oh man, who I want to? That's because some of them top tier niggas been shaky.
I don't call them top tier. Y'all all battle rappers to me. So
yeah, exactly. Exactly. Remember what we talked about earlier. So let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh damn. Oh man. I would like to maybe K-Shine because I like the energy he brings. And I know he always got like a skin. He always does something in every battle that's different when he's on his shit.
Yeah. So
I would say like a K-Shine. A K-Shine.
Okay. Sinister, what makes you different?
What makes me different? I'm a wild-ass nigga on camera and off camera. Most people, it's just characters. That's just a character, and they're not like that when you meet them. Anybody who meets me, they'll be like, wow, you're the same person in your battles off camera. And I'm African. I'm a loud-ass African nigga in battle rap. You don't see too much of that. A nigga screaming Africa, this and that. So that's what I could say makes me different. And I'm a lot older than some of these cats. So I've been through a lot of eras. I've been through the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s, and now. So not too many people can say that. To some people...
You know the history.
Yeah. You know it's crazy when some people, 50 Cent, Get Rich or Die Trying is old school to them. Think about that. Like, I'll go a little bit earlier. Knock If You Buck Crime Mom is old school to some people. So that's something to really think about in terms of that's another thing when you think about who you getting criticism from. What's the age bracket of some of these people that's criticizing?
Yeah. Because you got people that just come out of nowhere and shit, just start bashing for nothing.
For real, man.
Sinister, you got any new battles or anything coming up?
Yes, I do. I'm actually battling this dude Vega X, who's actually part of the same clique I'm part of. Hellraiser, who was down with Sons of Man, he's actually the leader of the clique that we part of. GGO, Ghetto Government Officials.
See, that's dope. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I want to see different in 2015 in battle rappers. Friends going up against, each other. You know what I mean? It's just it's for the sport, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
And to show your skills, you know what I mean, amongst each other. It's not about who's better. It's about showing your skills. And it's not, like I said again, it's not about who's better. It's about just showing your skills that you got the potentials to do this. You feel me?
Right.
You
and
know, and
that's
what I want to see this year. Go ahead.
And Vega, we were supposed to do 2-on-2, but we was like, nah, why don't we go at it and just duel to the death? And we got Hellraiser. We representing Hellraiser's brand. Come on, man. Sons of Man are like legendary, man. Wu-Tang affiliate. So
yo, man, salute to him, man.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like people.
Yeah, definitely salute to him, man.
Very underrated artists, man. Him, Killer Priest, all them. Like this is family. Them are not just regular. This is our family. You know what I'm saying? Like we official Killer Bees. So we got a very serious art to live up to. You know what I'm saying? Like he personally told us, like, yo, y'all need to put on. Don't make us look bad. You know what I'm saying? So that's all we need to hear to know that we got to put on a classic. And aside from that, I'm going back to my hometown. I'm battling a dude named Cap Young. He's like one of the top people from my hometown. So we basically said it's going to be at an award show, and we basically battling, and it's judged. You know what I'm saying? Because we're trying to bring that back, judge battles. Too many rappers going around bragging about wins they had, and nobody even judged the battle. So we're trying to put a stop to that shit, man. And also I'm in the works with other leagues trying to find me opponents. Because one thing about me, I'm not too picky with who I battle. Battling is a rap battle is a rap battle. My main slogan is, it's not your name that makes a battle dope, it's the skills that make a battle dope. So that's basically what it is.